Welcome back to Garage Kei. It's time for another mystery gift. We're going to get straight into this one. This is from Antti. I think I said that right. Our very own Finnish Kuma from the Garage Kei door. We're going to get straight into this. But, I don't know what's in this. Hopefully. Yeah. There's an address on it. Better get rid of that. Antti's from Finland. So this is a mystery gift all the way from Finland. What is this? That's a packing material I've never seen before. What's it take? No, I'm not going to eat it. I don't know what that is. It's kind of like rice paper or something. Weird. But then there's another box. Genuine parts made in Japan. Delivered in Finland. Okay, we got a letter. I'm not going to look in the box. We have a letter. Greetings from not so wintry Finland. This tool saves me 1 to 2 hours of work every week, basically. Hope it comes in handy to you. I wanted to send you my favorite drink, but have to use next best thing. 1 pack of Fisherman's Friends crushed. 1 to 5 Turkish pepper candies crushed. 4 to 10 eucalyptus candy crushed. I'm not sure what the crushed is. The crushed because it was sent via Finnish post, or because you crushed them, or they're supposed to be. And bottle of Smirnoff or similar, all mixed together. Oh, that's his favorite drink, is it? Oh dear. Let the bottle stand a week in warm. Mix it daily, and when everything is melted, drink it as shots ice cold. Yo, kid, that's the recipe. Fisherman's Friends crushed. Turkish pepper candy crushed. Eucalyptus candy crushed. And 700ml bottle of Smirnoff vodka. Let it sit for a week in the warm. I guess the alcohol will kill off any... Wow, that's just nuts. Good for the flu. Cheers, the Finnish Kuma-chan. And he's got the Pedo Bear seal of approval there. What the hell? Alright, okay, we're going in. What have we got? There's another one. There's another letter. There's another... Original fish shot. The classic. Oh dear, that's a label for the I think that's a label for the bottle he wants me to make. Oh, he sent me the recipe. There's the Turkish pepper that I'm supposed to crush. And then we've got eucalyptus that I'm supposed to crush. And then Fisherman's Friends. Fisherman's Friends. And a toolkit. Whoa, holy crap. Dude went all out, look at that. Worth. These are really high quality brand. You didn't have to do this. Thank you very much. Get around Suzuki's stupid shit. Oh, look at the tin that it comes in. The tin alone is better quality than most of the tools that I have. Have a look at that. Wow. Thank you very much. I don't own... Like, this is now the highest quality... I can't get it out. Ugh. This is the highest quality ratchet that I own. And it's tiny. Wow, look at that. That's really cool because it's got the... it's like, what is that? Probably... That might be 10mm. So you could put a regular socket on that and then just go to town. Or a regular wrench, spanner or whatever. And you'd be able to spin that. That's really, really cool. So it's a mini. That's 11. That's the only thing. That's 11mm. If that was a 10mm, now I have a use for my 11mm sockets. Because, no. Oh, look. You can always judge the quality of a ratchet spanner by how far you have to turn it before it clicks. And that's really impressive. You barely have to move it at all before it clicks. So you can really get into some tight spaces with that. Thank you very much, Finnish Kuma, for the mystery gift. I'll see you all in the next episode. Later.